Hello, beautiful people in YouTube. How you guys doing? Here with another little trick. This will get you out of a pickle, and it works as a diagnostic tool too. If you don't have a scanner, it's really common in these trucks. It's a freightliner M2. It's gonna happen to you at some point. This for the stick shift. So sometimes you will do this. That you stop someplace, you turn off the truck, and then you're gonna go again, and the truck won't crank. It will just do that. You can see I'm trying. The clutch pedal is pressed. Nothing is going on. So like 90% of the time when your truck doesn't start, it's an M2, your problem relies here is the clutch switch. Like one option, the truck will start, but your J brake won't work. And the second one is the truck won't start and the J brake did not work. So you have to replace the switch, but if you're parked someplace and you're in a little bit of hurry, you need to make the truck start running, because you don't want to pay for the tow truck, or you don't want to pay for a mechanic to show up. Basically, this is what you have to do. You see here, let me see if I can hold the phone someplace. You see here you have these two prongs. These ones is the part that activate the switch that the pedal is pressed. You basically need to bridge that with a little cable, whatever you have, and the truck will automatically start. And now if you need to move and you have a heavy load and you need the J brake to work, the only thing that you have to do is, and then if you put it in that position, the J brake will work. Of course, it's not gonna work 100%, because usually when you press the clutch, the J brake will stop. But this will give you J brake. You can control it just with the switch. And there you have it, guys. So in between now and when you get the new switch, then you can do that and you can keep working. Or you can keep going. That way you don't have to call the tow truck, you don't have to call the mechanic. So that's a little trick for you guys. See you in the next one. Leave a like and subscribe.